The Great Wall of China is one of the most iconic architectural feats in human history, celebrated not only for its immense scale but also for its historical and cultural significance. Here is a detailed account of its construction, purpose, and legacy. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new update. The construction of the Great Wall began as early as the 7th century BC during the Zhou Dynasty. However, the most significant contributions came during the reign of Emperor Qin Shi Huang 259–210 BC, the first emperor of a unified China. He ordered the connection and reinforcement of various regional walls built by earlier states to create a single defensive barrier. The construction continued across several dynasties, including the Han and Ming dynasties, with major enhancements during the Ming period 1968–1644. The wall's construction was a colossal effort that spanned centuries. It is estimated that over 1 million laborers, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners, participated in building the wall. The process was labor-intensive, with workers enduring harsh conditions and many losing their lives during construction. The materials used for the wall varied depending on the region and available resources. In mountainous areas, stones and rocks were commonly used, while in plains and desert regions, tamped earth and bricks were the primary materials. The Ming Dynasty introduced the widespread use of bricks and tiles, along with lime mortar, for added strength and durability. The Great Wall stretches over 21,000 kilometers, 13,000 miles, across northern China, making it the longest wall in the world. It averages 6 to 7 meters, 20 to 23 feet, in height and 4 to 5 meters, 13 to 16 feet, in width. Watchtowers, beacon towers, and fortresses were strategically placed along the wall for military purposes and communication. The primary purpose of the Great Wall was to protect China from invasions by northern nomadic tribes, particularly the Xiongnu. It also served as a means to regulate trade along the Silk Road, prevent smuggling, and control immigration and emigration. In addition to its defensive role, the wall symbolized the strength and unity of the Chinese Empire. For the people of that era, the wall provided a sense of security and facilitated the development of trade and cultural exchange. It acted as a psychological barrier, deterring potential invaders and reinforcing the perception of China's invincibility. Today, the Great Wall of China is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Millions of visitors from around the globe come to admire its grandeur and historical significance each year. Estimates suggest that over 10 million people visit the wall annually, with the most famous sections, such as Badaling and Yudianyu near Beijing, drawing the highest numbers. Despite its magnificence, the Great Wall faces significant challenges including natural erosion, human vandalism, and encroaching urbanization. Efforts are underway to preserve and restore this monumental structure, ensuring it remains a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Beyond its historical and architectural importance, the Great Wall holds deep cultural value for the Chinese people. It is a symbol of perseverance and national pride, often referenced in literature, art, and folklore. The phrase "he who has not climbed the Great Wall is not a true hero" highlights its enduring place in the Chinese cultural psyche. In summary, the Great Wall of China is more than just a physical structure. It is a narrative of ambition, sacrifice, and innovation. It stands as a remarkable reminder of China's rich history and continues to inspire awe and admiration in people worldwide.